So this project is a special one because the owner would like to install large subwoofers inside to grab and access and reach the maximum sound pressure as it should be, and to increase the rigidity of the entire cabin, of the entire metal. We firstly have to take a look on the current state, and this is a totally brand new car. Let's take a look on the current state. As you can see, all these reinforcement bars, they have a tiny glue patches across all bars there, but even here already, they already start cracking. So probably, yeah, it's about the poor quality of the Toyota manufacturing. The vents, probably, maybe it's enough while you will carry some stuff, but when you're dealing with a large pressure, 140, 150 and above decibels, you must think about the proper preparation, proper insulation of your cabin. So let me show you what was done. So the plan for today is to finish with this first layer side. So how it's happening, I've already spent the time in doing prototyping firstly with the carton, and you can see it's like all S1, S2, S3, these sides, left side, and then once the carton is done, then I move this shape to the vibration damping and check and mark all the sides. So it helps me a lot while applying the material, and this is how it should be, to minimize the connections between the materials. Otherwise you will have to later on, and anyway I will fill it once again with the adhesion sealant, the same that I use in the roof. Okay, so here we go. The dashboard was removed successfully. All these millions and billions of connectors was marked and ready. So yeah, there are definitely more connectors on the new Hiace than on the previous version. But let's take a look on the plastic. It's super weak, and especially for SPL, even they added, yeah, luckily they added portion of a soft material to prevent a plastic to plastic contact and rattling, but still it's super noisy. So when you will turn loud your bass, all this stuff will start shaking as hell, of course. And let's take a look what we have here from stock. This tiny synthetic padding, it's not bad, but we will inspect. I will take a look what's inside. Under this material, probably nothing, so we will add a vibration damping here, and we'll take a look to wire all these wirings with the anti-noise tape, because that's how it should be. All this tiny stuff, that's of course should start rattle. Here we go, guys. So I'm sitting here and smiling because this project is almost done. It took me more than 1 month to work on the soundproofing and prepare this project for very loud SPL championship. So as you can see, here we have 350 kilograms of the vibration damping, which like insane. But this is like what is required, yeah, to soundproof, to prepare your car, to treat the metal, to create a very solid concrete, yeah, for any further improvements. And yeah, for such a long project, it's always tough because you still have some intermediate projects, and I'm trying to keep my concentration and not a passion, rather than just interest, because there are so many details here. You should do this left side, right side measuring, like take a pause, rest, and come back once again. But luckily it's just about the approach, how you can manage this long-running project. And to be honest, yeah, technically it's possible to find maybe, I don't know, 10 people and do this in several weeks, but still the precision would be the problem. So that's why here, hope you enjoyed this video and saw the long process of the soundproofing, like preparing from the nothing, disassembling the interior, measuring. So now you know how to do this at home. You know the material, it's a STP Massa Bassa. Yeah, this is like a special product, an STP line for SPL sound pressure level, because it has a mix of bitumen and rubber material inside. It's super strong, nothing can beat this. Yeah, you never will find like a normal vibration damping, even 5 layers. We already passed it. You can find another video on my YouTube where I did this, removed the old material on the roof. So using 2 layers here, you can increase like more than 4 or even 6 times the strength of your metal. So this is like more enough to beat 150 decibels and even above. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next videos, guys.